Hello everyone friends! At the RRR Shout, today I will show you how to divide audio tracks in the OBS car. To do this, you will first need to go to Settings. Accordingly, go to Output here, yes, and select here respectively. Advanced mode. But here you can just go to the recording and select the number of audio tracks. Here, choose how much you need and click OK. Here next, in order to record specifically from some application, yes, to split the audio tracks, click plus here, click Application Audio Capture. Yes, that is respectively the audio from the application. Select some application that you currently have open, yes, for example, Steam. Here, click OK, and accordingly, here we will have our Steam. That's when I have some sound coming from Steam, for example, some kind of clip. Yes, I'll turn it on now. Here, you will hear it. I will make it quieter. That's it. Well, as you can see, there is a sound. That's it. And it accordingly can be turned off. That's how you need it. And so add for each application, click plus, click audio, yes, this one again, click OK, and choose respectively the application we need, the application we need, and click OK. It is done in the same way, that's it. The main thing is not to create in parallel with this, that is captures of the output audio stream. The sound of the work tables can simply be hushed up in general in order to better navigate between the sounds of applications. That's all. Bye, Samble Weller. Bye, everyone.